Hello students, now our next point is word problems. In that the example is given, Niru's father bought 2 kgs 250 grams of potatoes and 5 kgs 500 gram of onions. What was the total quantity of the vegetable that he bought? So Niru's father 2 veggies, that is potatoes and onions of different weights. So what is the total quantity of that vegetables? That is the question. So I have given you the keywords if you remember. So here total word is there. So if the words like total, altogether words are there in the word problems, that time you will do the addition. So here weight of potatoes, first you need to make two columns, that is kilograms and grams. So here two columns are given and put the values as per the column. So 2 kgs 250 grams plus what is the weight of onion, 5 kgs 500 grams. So 5 in kg column and 500 in gram column, and as they ask for the total, so we have done here addition. So what is the answer of the addition? 7 kgs 750 grams. So you will write the answer. Total quantity of vegetable bought by the Neeru's father was 7 kg 750 grams. Now next is Sanjay weighs 40 kgs 256 gram and his father weighs 74 kg 726 gram. Find the difference in their weights. Now what is the meaning of difference? Difference means subtraction only. So the two weights are given, Sanjay and his father's weights are given, and what is the difference of their weight, that we have to find. And as we have to find the difference, so we'll perform here subtraction. So weight of Sanjay's father, now which weight is bigger here? His father, so we'll take it first. So 74 kg 726 gram we have taken here first, and then smaller value we'll take after that. So 40 kgs 250 gram we'll take, and as we have to find the difference, so minus sign is there. So what is the answer of difference? 34 kg 470 grams. So difference of their weights are 34 kgs 470 grams. So with this we'll start our exercise 5.8. Solve the following word problems. First is given, Ravina weighs 25 kgs and her friend Mihira weighs 27 kgs. Find their total weight. So what we will do, as the word total comes here, and understand the word problem first. Ravina's weight is 25 kgs and her friend Mihira's weight is 27. So what is the total weight? So both weight we have to add as we have to find the total. So we'll write here Ravina's weight is 25 kgs, as kg column is already there. So 25 in kg and 27 below that. And as we have to find total, so put the addition sign is there. Now starting from ones column, 5 plus 7. So count after 5 up to 7 fingers. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12. We'll write 2 in answer place and 1 carry over to its next. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So what is the answer here? 52 kg. The total weight of Ravina and Mihira is 52 kg. Now next is Deepa's mother bought 2 kg 500 gram of sugar and 5 kg 250 gram of wheat flour from the grocery store. What was the total quantity of the items that she bought? So Deepa's father 2 items from the grocery shop. Which one? Sugar and wheat of different weights. So what is the total quantity that we have to find? And for that what we will do, I hope you understand this. So we'll put the value as per the columns, 2 kg and 500 grams. So 2 in kg column and 500 in gram column. Now this is sugar, and what is the value of wheat? 5 kg 250 grams, and as total is there, so what will perform here? Addition, right? So plus sign. Now starting from ones column of the gram, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 5 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7, 2 plus 5 is 7. So what is the answer here? The total quantity of the items that she bought is 7 kgs 750 grams. Next is given, Kalyani weighted herself with her school bag. The weight was 26 kg. If her school bag weighs 3 kgs, what is the Kalyani's weight? So Kalyani's weight with her bag, with her school bag, is 26, and only the bag of school bag weight is what, 3 kgs. So what is the weight of Kalyani? So what we have to do here, we have to subtract 3 from 26. That time we'll get the weight of Kalyani. So here first we'll write 26, and 3 is a one digit number, so we'll place it in the ones column of the kgs, and for that we'll perform subtraction. Ones column, starting from ones column, 6 minus 3, how many? Count after 3 up to 6, that is 4, 5, 6, that is 3, so we'll write here 3, and 2, nothing is there, so 0 is there, so 2 minus 0 is 2 only. So what is the weight of Kalyani? 23 kgs, and with her bag their weight will be 26 kg. So the weight of Kalyani is 23 kg. Now next is given D. For Arpita's birthday, her father got 2 kg 500 gram cake for her and her friends. If they all ate 1 kg 350 gram of cake, how much cake was still remaining? So Arpita's father bought a cake of 2 kg 500 gram for her and her friends, and all them eat how much cake? 1 kg 350 gram cake they ate. So how much cake is left still, that we have to find, and for remaining cake we have to find. So we'll write the values as per the column. As the keyword remaining is there, so what you will perform here? Subtraction, right? So put the values, 2 kgs 500 grams minus 1 kg 350 gram. So starting from ones column, 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 minus 5, as 0 is smaller than 5, so we have to take a borrow from it next. So here is 5, if we take 1, how much left here? 4, and here become 110 plus 0 is become 10, so 10 minus 5 is 5, 4 minus 3 is 1, 2 minus 1 is 1. So what is, how much cake was still remaining? 1 kg 150 gram of cake is still remaining. Manisha weighs 47 kg 326 gram. Her younger sister Tanisha weighs 34 kgs 528 grams. Find the difference weight where weights. So as the word difference came, so you understand what operation we have to perform here. What? That is subtraction, right? So first write the values as per the column. 47 in kgs, so 47 kgs, and 326 in grams. As the difference we have to find, so put subtraction sign, minus sign, or 34 kgs 528 grams. So I hope you can subtract these values. You can find the answer of this question, right?